I'm Vicky from Thank You Group Factory. Today I will show you the self-loading concrete mixer truck. There are many different capacities. Mixing drum can lift up to 17 degree, 270 degree rotation for mixing and discharging. For water tank, very convenient for cleaning after working. For engine, use top brand diesel engine Cummins 裕柴云内 Extra. 4 and 4 wheel with excellent road passing performance. Inside the cab, there are steering wheel, adjustable seat, wind system, reversing image, air brake, and gas pedal. Loading bucket with hydraulic cylinder. We have a complete production line from cutting, welding, assembling, and testing. These two mixer trucks will be sent to the Philippines soon. Welcome, inquiry.